Hello everyone, this is Vistra from Paper Season, and today I am sharing with you an unboxing of my Archer and Olive notebook. It came in yesterday and I'm kind of excited. I had to wait to open it because I wanted to be sure to share this with you all. So I'm not one to hesitate on opening, so let's get to it. Try to see if I can go ahead, open this here, open the other side. I'm excited. Okay. Oh, what's this? Archer & Olive. Okay. So it's saying that because of your support, Archer & Olive is able to donate to charities including Austin Pets Alive and the National Alliance for Mental Health. A&O, a woman-owned business, can continue to support and hire creative women to do great work. Oh, okay. Well, I did not know that, so that's great to know. Let's get out this. Okay, now we can set the box to the side. This is gorgeous. I don't know if you can see how pretty this pink. This is a beautiful pink, and I did get two now. So this blue is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, let me just check this out here. Let me put this to the side here, and we're going to check this blue one out. It's 160 dot grid pages. Slide that off. Undo that. What is all of this? Little papers. Okay, look at this. This is the front page. It says this book belongs to. And I wanted to see how thick these pages, because I did hear that they were thick. And you know, they really are thick and feels really nice. It almost feels like it's 2 pages, I want to say, but this feels really nice. It's 1 page. Okay, and then in the back here, oh, they give you this little pocket envelope, which is nice. And then you get a pen holder here. So these are some very nice pages. I really like this. So this style is, I forget what style this is. Let me see, does it have it on here? It's not on here. Let me see. It is the Fleur de Bleu, if I'm saying that correctly. And there is no ghosting or bleeding, and perfect for markers, fountain pens, and even paint. So yeah, as you can see, well, you can't see that, but the pages are pretty thick, and apparently there is no ghosting, which I love, because I wanted to do front and back pages here, and I just absolutely love this design here. It's really cute. Yeah, so that's that one, and we're going to put that one to the side and check out this pink one. It's the same, but the design on it is different. So I really want to get a good look at what type of design is on the front. So let's take that off. Oh, this feels really nice. It has a linen like texture to it, and see that embossed there? That is so pretty. So yeah, it's the exact same as the other. I don't know what that is on there. It's something there. Not sure what. Now, the thing about these, they're not by any means inexpensive. They like ran me probably about $32 per, but the shipping is $5. I only paid $5 for shipping. So if you're thinking about maybe like splurging a little bit for yourself on these, I would recommend that you do so, because I absolutely love the feel of the paper. I love the book covers. They really do feel nice. Only thing about this book that I don't care for is that this little part here came kind of a little crinkled right there, but that's fine for me. That doesn't bother me. And then this little part in the back right here, that was a little messed up. That's the only thing I see. Other than that, the pages are really nice and the books feel really nice, and that, like I say, that really doesn't bother me at all. So that is the unboxing of my Olive & Archer, and you will see me probably doing bullet journal videos from now on, because I am going to start planning and I am going to use one of these. So let me know, which one do you like the best for me to start using to do bullet journaling? I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe to my channel. And till next time, bye bye.